So going into the weekend, 5,515 people are in hospitals across our state right now fighting to live. To give you some perspective, that's more than 32% of all the patients in Georgia.
Channel 2's Matt Johnson joining us live now from Grady. And Matt, more than 10,000 new cases today, which is more than we had in the peak over the summer.
Yeah, it's really alarming, George. And hospitals across the state are nearing capacity. The governor says that there are issues with the vaccine rollout as well. These are all things that school leaders in Henry, Cherokee, and Fulton counties are thinking of as schools move to virtual only starting next week.
It's so frustrating that so many more people are going to get really sick or die from this before they can get vaccinated.
Patty is a parent of a child in Fulton County schools. She says she has no issue with Fulton and also Cherokee County temporarily taking all classes virtual as state COVID numbers reach record highs.
I have a husband in a high-risk category also, so personally, it's also frightening.
Georgia set a single-day record for confirmed COVID cases on Friday with 10,393. 91% of state ICU beds are in use. 80 more people died from the virus, which brings the state total to 10,180 deaths. Some Metro parents say virtual learning should be embraced by more counties during a post-holiday surge.
I don't like virtual learning at all, and neither the children like it, but I think it's a safer way.
Meanwhile, the vaccine rollout across Georgia is falling below expectations.
I'm not happy with, I'm pleased with how hard everybody's working, but I'm not happy with where we are.
CDC data shows Georgia has the worst vaccination rate in the country. Governor Kemp says one issue is distribution sites underreporting their numbers because they're just overwhelmed with patients.
I can tell you that our team has not and we will not take our eye off the ball. We will continue to work day and night to get this vaccine out and to bring an end to this long battle.
Experts say that more challenges could be ahead as more people become eligible for the vaccine.
Generally, you're going to have an easier time distributing and trying to pull off something like a mass vaccination campaign when health systems are more centralized, and we have a very fragmented system in the United States.
In Cherokee County, more than 400 full-time staffers are out due to COVID-19 cases and quarantines, with fewer substitutes to pick from. Officials are also concerned about a new, more contagious strain of the virus that's confirmed to be in Georgia.
We got to keep our children safe.
Carlo Wheaton has 2 kids in Cherokee County schools who have enjoyed in-person learning, but he says the risks may be too great if cases continue to rise.
I am still a big fan of going in person, but I also am a fan of being smart.
So Matt Johnson's back with us now. And Matt, 10,000 cases in a day, a staggering number. How does that compare to, let's say, the last surge we saw over the summer?
Well, the last time we remember talking about a crisis, it was in mid-July, and cases then were under 5,000. That's how they peaked. So this is double that. Also concerning is over the past 10 days, the positivity rate across the state has remained above 16%, and the curve, unfortunately, just keeps ticking upward. George.
And health experts say it's only going to get worse over the next several weeks. All right, Matt, thank you.